So this spec kart is a 950 length. It's for the junior drivers of 7 till about 13 years of age. This particular one is the Minimax. It's from the Rotax brand. Minimax is the second class up. Your starting class would be Micromax in the Rotax categories, and they're pretty quick. Jaden is one of the top 3 in Cape Town, and we reach speeds of about 108 kilometers with these things. It's fairly quick, and we can corner up to slower corners up to about 50, 60k slower corners. It's quite intricate. It's more than what people think it is. You know, it's not just a go-kart where you press gas and brakes. There's a lot to do and a lot of things to play with. Geez, I think 4 years now, hey? 3 or 4? 4 years. Yeah.
So you started at the age of
5. Yeah. He's just turned 9 recently. So he started in Bambinos, which is the smallest category for ages of 5 to 8, and did 1 year of Bambinos, and then we did 2 years of Micromax, and this is our first year in the Minimax, which we will be in for another 3 years still. You know, it just really depends on budget. If we can get some decent sponsors to go further in motorsport, it's obviously not a cheap sport to be in. Even karting itself is quite expensive, but there are avenues to go racing on main circuit with the big cars. But he's still got at least 6 years before we can even get anywhere near that, you know. 60, 70 years old, you don't have to be in karting until you 18 or something. You can race karting until you're 60. There's various classes to go racing in.
And to own one of these, how much does this cost?
I'm actually not sure. I think brand new, a new chassis is about 90,000 Rand, and then the engine package is about 50 or 60. So you really want to have a good package, you know, to be fairly competitive in a sense. You know, he's a really good driver, so we try to give him the best package we can. We're currently 3rd, with a good chance of getting 2nd still.
But right now here, we're just charging. This is our charging. This is our charging system, and this is the battery. That's what I can say so far. But we have another one that one's a Bambino. We don't charge that thing. It's like kickstart. We just started like this battery is just to start. It has a starter mode, the same like a car. Yeah, same like it. No matter when we don't have ignition, but our ignition is this one, the button. That's it. So it's how we do. Simple thing. Same like motorbike. Same like a car. Same thing.